Hey there, welcome to the channel. Think $1,000 isn't enough to start investing? Wrong. Today, I'm sharing 10 actionable investing tips for beginners to grow $1,000 into serious wealth over time. First things first, we gotta figure out what you're aiming for. Ask yourself, what am I investing for? Is it that dream house, a cushy retirement, or just growing your savings? Write it down and keep it visible. This is your financial North Star. Your goal will determine your investment strategy. If you're decades away from retirement, you can be more aggressive. For shorter-term goals, play it safer. Before buying your first stock or bond, let's talk about your emergency fund. Think of it as your financial insurance policy against life's unexpected curveballs. Save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a safe, easily accessible account. Get your emergency fund sorted first for peace of mind and to protect your long-term investing goals. Let's talk risk. How comfortable are you with your investments going up and down? Some people can stomach big swings, while others prefer slow and steady growth. Take a quick risk assessment quiz online to understand your risk tolerance. Investing should be exciting, not terrifying. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification minimizes risk and maximizes long-term success. Spread your money across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and maybe even a bit of crypto. Diversification is like building a financial fortress. It protects you from all angles. Index funds and ETFs, your secret weapons for easy investing. For beginners, start with index funds or ETFs. They're low-cost, diversified, and easy to understand. An index fund tracks a specific market index, like the S&P 500. ETFs are similar but can be traded throughout the day like stocks. With index funds and ETFs, you don't need to be a financial genius to build a solid portfolio. Dollar cost averaging. Outsmarting the market. $1 at a time. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market. Over time, this approach averages out your purchase price and reduces the risk of buying at the market peak. It's like investing on autopilot. No stress, just consistent growth. Think owning real estate is just a pipe dream? Think again. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul make it possible to invest in properties with as little as $10. With $1,000, you can build a diversified real estate portfolio and potentially earn passive income. Want to make your money work harder for you? Then you need to know about dividend stocks. When you own dividend stocks, you're buying a piece of a company that pays a portion of its profits back to shareholders. Even with $1,000, you can start building a portfolio of dividend-paying stocks and reinvest those dividends to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Fees can make or break your investment returns. When choosing investments, always pay close attention to the expense ratios, management fees, and any other hidden costs. Stick to low-cost index funds, ETFs, and platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity that are known for their low fees. The world of investing is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to be a lifelong learner. Watch educational YouTube channels, read books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, and follow reputable financial blogs. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. And that's it. 10 beginner investing tips to start growing your $1,000. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your favorite tip in the comments below. See you next time.